best websites to download 4K wallpapers on PC. So let's start with it. On number 1, we have WallpapersHome.com. So this is one of the popular websites where you can download SD wallpapers. The quality is insanely good. You just can scroll down and you can see a lot of options. And on this left side of the screen, you can see creative games option. I'm gonna go to games and choose one of the wallpapers. You can see these 3D wallpapers which has insanely good quality, and you can choose any kind of wallpapers about games and anything. You can choose any category you want. So I'm gonna choose the Minecraft category, and here you can see the download option with the blue box. When you tap on it, you can see the resolution as well. You can choose any of the resolution and tap on download and you're done. Second option, we have Unsplash.com. Unsplash.com is also one of the popular websites where you can download anything 4K wallpapers. You can see that the quality on this website is also very good. The images are very minimalistic and very new, which you can use on your wallpapers. It's also one of the websites associated with Windows, so it is very popular and convenient for you. On number 3, we have Pexels.com. Just type in Pexels.com onto your browser and then you'll get to this page where you can search for free photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. In this website also you can see the quality of the image is very good. Just tap on one of the pictures and you can see the green box with the download icon. To download, just tap on the download option and you may download it, or you may also save or like the picture. And on number 4, we have WallpapersWide.com. This is one of the websites where you can see the different kind of wallpaper, and on the categories you can see aero, animals, architecture, and other options as well. And on the top you can see home, latest wallpapers, top wallpapers, or you may also upload your own wallpapers. Just tap on one of the pictures and you can see the resolutions. Choose whatever resolution you want and just tap on download and then you're done. And on the very last option we have Wallhaven.cc. Just search for this on your browser and you'll get to this page with lots of wallpapers, latest, Toplist, random, and when you scroll down you can see the new wallpapers that you may use onto your laptop or PC. Just click on one of the pictures that you want to download into your device. You can also make it full screen to see if it looks good on your screen or not, and in that way you can, if you like it, just download it into your device. And these are the top 5 websites that you may like to download wallpapers from. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful.